In a PON network, the optical signal starts from the OLT, passes through the optical splitter, and is distributed to multiple ONUs. PLC splitters are the most common type of optical splitter in PON networks. They adopt planar optical wave circuit technology to achieve precise and stable optical signal splitting through silicon dioxide waveguides. The input sides of PLC splitters can be configured as 1x(n) or 2x(n) depending on the network design requirements. The number of output fibers can be customized, typically ranging from 2 to 128 ports. In most cases, PLC splitters evenly divide optical power across all ports for balanced distribution. However, for rural or long-distance PON network connections, unbalanced splitters are more suitable. The Channel 1 port allows for customized power ratios, enabling more flexible network coverage. With the diversity of PON deployment environments, PLC splitters are available in multiple package types to meet different installation needs. Compact PLC splitters, including bare fiber, mini module, and ABS types, are lightweight and easy to install inside fiber terminal boxes or fiber distribution boxes, offering high flexibility for indoor FTTH and small-scale applications. Rack-mounted PLC splitters enable efficient cable management and large-scale PON network deployments within 1U, 2U, or 4U frames. Visit fs.com for more information about PLC splitters and PON solutions.